Welcome to the Paradigm Cooling YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into how to use our HVAC Heatload Calculator, a powerful tool to ensure your air conditioning system is perfectly sized for your space. Whether you're planning a new installation or upgrading your current system, this calculator takes the guesswork out of the process. Let's get started. To access the calculator, head over to our website and navigate to the HVAC Heatload Calculator page. Once there, you'll see a simple and intuitive interface asking for a few key details about your room. You can toggle between metric and imperial values at the top of the data input field. First, enter your room's dimensions, width, length, and height. These measurements help the calculator determine the total volume of the space, which directly impacts the heat load requirements. Next, select your location. You'll choose whether the system will be installed in the northern or southern hemisphere. This is a crucial step because it allows the calculator to predict the sun's position during peak usage times. Now input the average number of people who will occupy the room. Each person contributes additional heat, and our calculator accounts for this to ensure optimal cooling performance. In the next section, provide the details about your windows. Start by specifying the window's location, whether it faces north or south. This, combined with your earlier location input, helps the calculator accurately factor in direct sunlight exposure. Then, enter the height and width of each window. This allows the system to determine how much UV heat will enter the room, especially during the hottest parts of the day. Once you've filled in all the fields, hit the Calculate button. Our system will instantly analyze your inputs and provide you with the recommended heat load capacity. This ensures your air conditioning system is neither underpowered nor overpowered, saving you energy and costs in the long run. Here's an example of the results. You'll see the calculated heat load capacity, which will help you correctly design and optimize your system's performance. And that's it. Using the Paradigm Cooling HVAC Heatload Calculator is as simple as that. This tool empowers you to make informed decisions about your cooling needs, ensuring comfort and efficiency for your space. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights. And if you have any questions or need assistance, drop a comment below or reach out to us directly through our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.